I think what our marketplace makes so different from the other marketplaces is that we, like all of our design choices, I would say, are focused on onboarding people into the space. So it's not really like a marketplace. Like, of course, it's great for people that already know crypto, but it's not only that. It's more also for people that don't know crypto that want to get into NFTs, and like the user flow and all these things are very easy for them to understand. And the way we have approached also building this from a technology standpoint is that we are essentially, making sure that it's expandable because we have so many ideas, right? We try to do everything and we just can't. There's not enough time. So we build it in a way so that it's easy for us to iterate on it later on and add new features. So many of the things that we want to have, we don't have yet, but the path to them is very clear from a design perspective, but also from a development perspective. And that's really, you cannot underestimate that, because I think personally, once the marketplace is out, we will be able to just iterate on it all the time and just push out updates all the time. And that's what I'm excited about, because then, people are using it, we can change things. It's the same way we do it with NFT Maker Pro, right? Where we push out new updates all the time, and we push out new ideas, and some things we try and then they don't work and then no one cares about them and we delete them. Or sometimes they are life changing for us, like the pre-sale conditions in NFT Maker Pro, for example. And yeah, and that is something I'm excited about. And then also, with the payment gateway, like the tight integration between the payment gateway, NFT Maker Marketplace, and NFT Maker Pro, in the long term, these three things are going to work super well together, I think. And then, of course, we have the other stuff on the roadmap, like our wallet integration, which is also focused not on being like a competitor to Nami wallet or all these other wallets, which are doing a great job, but instead it's focused on a completely different target audience. It's focused on onboarding people into the space who have never bought an NFT before, who don't own any ADA, and who maybe want to buy their first NFT with fiat payment. That's also one thing where I'm in talks with lawyers like all the time and trying to figure out how do we make fiat payment a reality. It's a lot harder than you can imagine, honestly, but we're getting there, I think.
Just to add to the point, like why we are doing like this super let's say non-crypto user approach is like, of course in the future we will be definitely cross-chain, but if of all of our tools, the payment gateway, Pro, the marketplace, are super user friendly for non-crypto people, we can bring so many new artists and people onto the Cardano space and grow our community together. I think that's super cool as well.